Hi guys, this is Ruchi and welcome to Rajshri Food. I've made a lot of recipes with methi or fenugreek leaves, but today's recipe is quite special because it has a distinct flavor of both the hero ingredients, that is methi and garlic. So let's quickly see the recipe for Lasooni Methi. So the first process is to grind a few ingredients. So I have some dry ingredients with some spices. Let's make a paste with it. 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Grind all these ingredients into a fine powder, then add around 1/4 cup of water and grind it into a smooth paste. So all the prep is done, the paste is ready, everything is ready. Let's start cooking. Heat 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. I have 6 to 7 cloves of garlic that I've just roughly pounded. Fry the garlic on low heat for that distinct flavor. Once the garlic cloves catch color, add in 1 onion finely chopped. Add 2 green chilies broken. Fry the onions till they are golden brown and translucent. Add in 1 tomato finely chopped. Add in the masala paste. Also add in the chopped methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. I have around 2 cups of it. Cook this for at least a good 2 minutes and make sure that you keep stirring it on low heat. Otherwise, the paste is going to start sticking to the pan. Rinse the blender with water to get every last bit of the paste and now add this in the veggie. Mix all these ingredients together to make a nice gravy. Let this boil for at least a good 2 to 3 minutes. Add in salt to taste. Also a teaspoon of kasuri methi for that extra flavor. Mix all these ingredients together. Our Lasooni Methi recipe is almost ready. It just needs a final touch of a delicious flavorful tadka. Slightly heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Add in 2 boria or round dry red chilies. 6 to 7 sliced garlic cloves. On very low heat, fry the garlic till it's slightly brown. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Finally, this dish is ready. Do try it at home, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.